Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Poritska, and in this video I am going to tell you why I am choosing to complete TESOL course, namely with SR Teaching and Learning Center. First of all, TESOL certificate is an internationally recognized professional qualification. It goes without saying that it's a gateway to a new perspective. This certificate opens all the opportunities across the globe and in domestic regions aligned with high salary package. SR Teaching and Learning Center provides engagement in direct cultural exchange with teachers of other cultures during the course. This is the precious experience of cross-cultural interaction and communication. You not only engage in first-hand exchange with your real students, but you become a part of a supportive community. These were the general benefits of TESOL course. My personal favorite is that it helps to identify and enhance your own teaching style. SR Teaching and Learning Center is all about how to teach your students speak English powerfully. Welcome to join the best!